morning children, welcome back to the online classes. Today I will discuss you about introduction to hypertext markup language for classes 6, 7, 8. Means this topic is given in the class 6 books, also class 7 and 8. So same topics are there. That's why I will discuss about these three classes. The same topic is introduction to hypertext markup language. First of all, I will discuss you what is the definition of hypertext markup language. Means what is the meaning of hypertext markup and language. In shortcut you can call it HTML. It is developed in 1993 by Tim Berners-Lee. Because day by day our generation is increasing too much, day by day development are also increasing day by day. But at early time there is only binary digit. This is 0 and 1. It is used for writing anything, suppose machine language, high level language, low level language, interpreter, compiler. But today, slowly hypertext was developed in 1993 by Tim Berners-Lee for designing the web page. Means the hypertext markup language is very important for all of the children because it is helpful in the generation or day by day for the creating web page in the scenario. So web page is very important for all the students for making a video, text, images, anything, and looks very internet. And this internet is very good for today's scenario. You see, during the lockdown period, all the students were at their homes and focus their minds on the online classes. So that's why it is very important for designing web pages. And it is good because in the school, in class 9, 10 and other 11, 12 also, if any student take a computer, the projects will come in the examination. And project also created about to design the web page of your school also. Suppose you have to design your web pages of your school of KVI Academy. So this hypertext markup language is very important for development these types of web pages. So let's start. What is the meaning of hyper? The word hyper is opposite of limits, which signify that the users can view worldwide web pages by moving anywhere in any direction. Means hyper. The hyper means hyper means a limit. There's a limit. Means anything you do, there's a limit. And beyond the limits, we can do anything. And it's mainly used for the development of world wide web pages because it is very helpful for generate anything in the computer. So www also generated by Tim Berners-Lee in 3. So that's why we should know about this. The meaning is hyper. The word hyper is opposite of limits. Means this meaning is opposite of limits. Means limit, there is no limit apart from we boundary languages, which signify that the users can view world wide web by moving anywhere in any direction. In a computer, you see, in the world wide web you type anything, it gives you details of anything. There is no foundation or there. You search anything in the computer also. Go to the web pages, and in the mobile also. Go to the Google page and type anything there, and if you generate anything, you go there. Let's come to the point. Text. It is anything written in English or alphabetic character. Means text. Suppose you make a password. Suppose you write a 1, 2, 3. Then you write at the rate of this step. This the combination of which there is an alphanumeric combination there. Means it is anything written in English or alphanumeric character. This means text. Third is markup. It means after writing, you can mark up what you have written. A special indicator of various types is in a special text. You know, suppose you did a text in a markup language. Suppose you write anything, you can highlight it by coloring it. Means highlighter word means this is very important for us, and that's why you can mark out what you have. This special indicator of various type of special text. There is also text. Suppose you write any, suppose you write a body. Then you can write this in a bold text. You will write here. And language is signified HTML language. Means in HTML language you can write anything. It modifies languages in embedded in a traditional manner. There is a language of machine language. So computer HTML has also a markup language. And now this is the main characters are there. And suppose in a character you write. Suppose you write any program. Suppose you have to write a program in bold, italic, underline in a web page. So you have to write the word. Suppose you write here. First of all, you write here HTML. You have to write here HTML. Then in angular bracket you write here body. And suppose you write in a bold, you have to write here in angular bracket B, and write here. Suppose you write here RAM, RAM in a bold. So you make here tag RAM. You write in Italy, you write here I. So if this word it just go in a slowly movement. Here write I, tag I. And after that you should take I, you should write here underline, you in a angular bracket you should write underline RAM. Again you take it underline, then you have to write here body in a tag body, then in a HTML. This whole thing you have to write in a body of word page or a notepad. You write it, and after that you save it, and go to the Google Chromes or in a Google Drive. You go there, and after this when you visited there, you see that all the things were written. Suppose you have a RAM were written in bold letter. This is a bold, and this is an italic word itself, and you write here RAM RUM in a underline. Means this three word is total, because you put a input here bold. So it is very bold. It is very bold in black in color. You write here italic. It moves. Means this you write here this like RAM. This like totally shiny, angular, and in a RAM is underlined. Means this four things is very important. HTML writing is body, element, text, and this is not a text, very important for all the students to learn about it. So this HyperText markup language is mainly used to designing the web pages. And you write it is an input device. If you get the output, these three things you get in the output. There is many things also going on. So I again repeat you. Hyper means the word type is opposites of limits, which signify that the users can view worldwide web pages by moving anywhere in any direction. In any direction you go right here in the left or center or in the right alignment also. Or text, it is anything written in English or alphanumerical character. Text may be 1, 2, 3 or numeric or alphabetical or markup language. It means after writing you can mark up what you have writing special indicator of various types is special text. There is text also bold. This is not text, but it is not an angular text. And language it signifies HTML language in a bold letter or italic or underline letter. You can write is underline letters. So that's why if you write the inputs you should write HTML body in angular letter V, RAM, and then text in a V manner also. In italics you write RAM in a italic manner. And after that you write underline the RAM in underline, then you write body and save in a notepad and go to the Google Chrome or Internet Explorer and search it. You get the output devices like in a bold letter, in a italic letter, in a underline letter. I think all of you understood it. Thank you. Have a nice day.